Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing a jersey. Now, this right here is going to be the Nike Elite F.U.S.E custom football jersey. You feel me? So I got the custom name and number. You feel me? We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you already know I got to put it on. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box, you feel me, and I did order this through the NFL.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I got my box cutter. We're gonna go ahead and give it that slice, and remember, this is a custom joint, man, so it took a while to come. Here we go. We got a slice there, we got another slice. Oh yeah, they packed this joke in there pretty good. Let's see what we got. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back. Let's take a look. Oh, we got some more tape on the side. Hold on, let's go ahead and booyah, give it a slice. Oh yeah, like I said, ooh. Okay, hold on. So we're gonna open this up. We got the initial box. Then we have this right here. So this is new because I actually have ordered a couple of custom jerseys from NFL.com or /Fanatics, and yeah, so this is new. I haven't had anything come in this black box right here. Definitely looks like they're going upscale, more premium. We're gonna go ahead and boom. Okay, nice. Right here we have the actual jersey, and it says your team is forever, packaging not so much. So this is basically saying they kind of want you to recycle the joint, you feel me, which we gonna do because you know we love the environment. We gonna get our recycle on. Go ahead and open this joint up. Ooh-wee. Oh yes, oh yes, here we go, man. Right here we do have the Eagle. Now this is the Eagles custom F.U.S.E Elite Vapor jersey right here, man. So right here we do have the Eagle jersey in that midnight green. Let's take a nice look at it. And like I said, this is like the authentic version. I want to say the retail on this is $384, you feel me, but I did get it on like a slight sale. It was $77 off, so it came out to like $304, but plus tax it's like $350. So basically look at spending about $350 to $400 for this jersey. But the thing I like, everything on this is the authentic. Everything is stitched. Let's take a look at the patch on this joint, man. Patch looking wonderful right here. Everything stitched on. The Nike sign stitched on. We got that number 1 stitched on. This is actually like a double stitch right here. If you can take a look right there, it's double stitched on the number 1. We have that all midnight green, man. And I do have a couple of other custom. Matter of fact, I got one right here. And I did a review on this one last year. Every year I try to get like a custom jersey, you feel me? Because like I always say, the team can't trade me. You might grab a player you like. That person might get traded. That person might get cut. That person might just want to leave, AJ Brown. But you know, if it's you, if it's custom, you can't get traded, man. So you'll be able to keep that jersey forever, man. So last year I did pick up the authentic joint custom in the Kelly green, you feel me? Smooth, Ace Boogie on the back. But I did a video on that, so I'll put the link to that video in the description. Right now we're on the Kelly, we're on the midnight green actually. So initially the first custom I got was the all black. I'll put a link to that video as well. Then I went Kelly green, and they just brought out the midnight green custom. So it's like, man, I gotta do it. If you look right here at the fabric real close, we actually have some little holes in the fabric you know, just for more breathability, you feel me? And another thing I like about these jerseys, they're very stretchy. The material, very stretchy, you feel me? So this is like what will go over the pads type of a jersey. Now, with that type of material, you do get more of a slim fit. So sizing wise, I always say go true to size if you're going to wear it just like as a regular jersey. But if you plan on, you know, maybe having a hoodie underneath, you might want to go up a size on this joint, man. So right here we do have the NFL Shield logo on this joint, rib collar right here, perforated, which is their new design. We got the Eagles word mark right here, looking good. Number 1 stitched all the way around the outside, man, definitely looks good. We have the all black collar. Like I said, man, these are the jerseys, the ones that you can keep for a long time. If you got kids, you can maybe pass them down later on, you feel me? Right here we do have the sleeve, and it has kind of like that ribbed elastic sleeve right here. So, you know what I mean, if you've been in the gym, it's gonna show that. And if you haven't, it's still all good, you feel me? We always got time. But yeah, the way that the logo is just so premium on this joint, man. You can see all the detail in that, man. The silver is actually even hidden on this eagle, man. The back, of course, I got the Ace Boogie, man, because it's only right, you feel me? So got the Ace Boogie on here, man. Nameplate looking good. One thing about the back, it does have the extra panel on the side. Like I said, this is the authentic. Let me see, hopefully you can see it. So that the side right here, you do get a little bit of extra room there. But overall, this is just like a really dope jersey. Now, I did get this in a size 40, which is a medium. Let me just show you right here. And sizing is always different on certain jerseys. Like for the football, size 40 is a medium. But like if you were to get a basketball jersey like from Nike, a 44 would be the medium. So just keep that in mind. If you're going football, then size 40 is the medium. And I always recommend going with whatever your normal t-shirt size is. So like if in Nike t-shirts you wear medium, go ahead in the jersey get the medium also, man. But very nice jersey. I love being able to, you know, add the midnight green to my collection. I feel like it's gonna be a good year. It's always a good year, man. But yeah, let me go ahead and put this joint on body so you can see what it looks like. And right here I do have the jersey on, and I do have to say this definitely looks good, man. Love the fit on this. Went ahead through on the black Nike woven shorts, you feel me? When you got a jersey like this, you don't really got to do too much, man. Nameplate looks good. We're gonna get a close-up of this jersey, man. Fit A1. Like I said, this is more of a slim fit, so if you plan on putting like a hoodie or something underneath, go a size up. Otherwise, this is just true to size for me right here, man. Love the jersey, love the quality. Don't love the price, but I mean, that's why I just buy one of these a year, you feel me? Oh yeah, got the Eagles hat, Super Bowl side patch, man. Definitely is a good look. I went ahead and threw on the white forces. Can't go wrong with those, man. Let me know, is $350 too much to spend for a jersey? Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.